How to see old tweets on Twitter or X. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see old tweets on Twitter, or now known as X. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to open up your Twitter. So simply open it up and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you'll simply need to head over to the search bar and search for the person that you want to see the tweet of. So simply type that in and make sure that you remember their username. Now previously there was a feature which enabled you to simply see anyone's tweets and their tweets from a certain time frame, and this was the format. So first what you had to do was simply type in from just their username and since the date, and you can also add to how much the time frame that you want it to be. After doing that, you could just type in search and then it would give you the result. But now the feature is not currently enabled. You can try it on yours, it might work in your device, but other than that, the way you can see the old tweets on Twitter is by just scrolling down like this. And yeah, that's basically it. That is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.